I still don't know why I still pay 50,000 shillings a month and I don't have a factory in my home or anything. Maybe someone's tapping into my line and...
Yeah, probably. That's why it's important to double check everything. First, many people are paying high electricity bills, and that used to happen to my mom until I told her, okay, let me get rid of your fridge, let me get you a new fridge. Okay, spend anything like 20, 25,000, but the power bill went down by half.
Because of the fridge, replacement of the fridge?
Yeah, it was an old motor that sentimental values, definitely my parents don't want to get rid of it, but it was costing so much money. So that's why it's important that regularly you get somebody who can actually do efficiency monitoring, just come and check everything and confirm that there's no item in your house or even your factory that you're losing power. And come, and the energy sector is quite clear in terms of supporting people in terms of measure efficiency in the system to reduce their losses within themselves. Then the culprits who are still in power, there has to be a way to catch them.
Yeah, I was going to say, can we catch those guys who have been tapping into my lines?
Hopefully, I hope so. But that's my sister company, utility company. Best to answer that.
You.
Yes.
Okay.